Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Wendy Lee, and today I wanted to share with you a clearance and sale haul from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has a ton of paper pads and stickers on clearance right now, so I just wanted to share some of the things that I picked up. So let's get started. This wasn't on clearance, this was on sale. It was part of the spring collection, but I got some of these plastic organizer baskets. And these were normally $3.99, so I got them for $1.99. So I thought that was a good deal, and I love that pretty, like, blush color. And let's see, I got some of their washi tape was on clearance, so I think this was $1.49. And I got this one was regular price, but I just loved it. I'm sorry, it was on sale. It wasn't on clearance, but I just liked it, so I picked it up. It's really cute with the little succulents and the hearts. Then, let's see here. Got like a tower of stuff that I don't want to fall. I also saw some new stuff there that I hadn't seen. They had these cute unicorn jewel stickers on clearance for 62 cents, so I got a couple of those. And then all their stickers were on sale, so I grabbed some of them. I got these super cute ones for like summer, so those were $1.99. Look how adorable those are with the little carousel and the, is that cotton candy? No, it's an ice cream stand and the Ferris wheel. So cute. I hadn't seen those before. And then I got these beautiful owls. Those are so pretty. And let's see, I got these heart die cuts. So they've got the glitter ones, and then they've also got foiled ones in pink and red. And I also got these barbecue ones, which I thought was so cute for summer. Love how it has the barbecue grill and an apron and the hamburger. So cute. I actually got two of those. Oh, and I got two of the other one with the Ferris wheel. And then I got these die cuts. These are for fall, and I hadn't seen these before. Maybe they have always been there, but I just noticed them. But everything Paper Studio was 50% off, so these were only $2.49. So just so cute. I'm trying to build up like a little fall and Halloween stockpile, because I just started paper crafting. I said that to you guys all the time, but literally in February I just started paper crafting. I have nothing. Well, I have something now because you guys see me haul stuff all the time, but I'm like holidays, I have nothing. Christmas, barely anything fall or Halloween. So I'm trying to grab it as I can when it's on sale, so that when those holidays come, I'm like, not like, oh my gosh, I have to go out and buy a whole bunch of stuff because I don't have anything. Then they had their Treehouse Studio beads on sale, so I got these. I thought these were so cute. They're heart-shaped ones, the alphabets. And I also got these from the same. These were 50% off. So I think these were like $1 something. And Poetic Spirit was on sale for 50% off. So I got some of these. This one fell off. But I got some of those tassels. And I picked up some of the gold hoops. And oh, I got some more. I guess I got 4 of the unicorns. They had so many of these. They must have just opened a pack when they went on clearance. Then I got a couple more washi tapes. These were only $1.49. And then this one as well, this cute floral one. Well, it's got polka dots and then floral. Then I got some paper pads. So let me show you those. I got this one. This one is called Baby Girl, and it has some pretty cute papers in here. got stickers. And then there's more stickers. And then just some super cute papers. And you don't have to use this all for a baby. I mean, you can use it for lots of different projects. I thought that was cute. This was $2.99, normally $11.99. Then I got this one. This one's a Christmas one, and it's called Poppies and Pines, and it was reduced to $2.99. And here's what this one looks like. And it just starts over again. And then I thought this was a good deal, this cardstock pack. So 50 bright colors, 5 colors, 10 of each color. And this was reduced from $8.99 to $2.24, and it's solid core. So there's that. And then I got this. Hold on, let me pull this. I got this one, which is called Beach House, and it has 50 designs, and there's 3 of each, and this was on clearance for $2.99. This one's kind of thinner paper. Oops, hold on. There's lots of nice, pretty designs, I think. Oh my gosh, I love the lobsters. My favorite. Oh, and those pretty blue whales. Oh, I love that one. Oh, that one's cool too. Oh, I like that. I just love lobsters. That one's nice too. So there's that one. And then I found a Jen Hadfield one from the Hey Hello collection. And this was normally $19.99, and it was reduced to $4.99, which I thought was a really good deal. And here's what these look like. Oh my gosh, look how cute those are. How adorable. And then it just kind of repeats. So cute. So glad I found that one. Let me move some of these out of the way. And then let's see, I found this one. This one is called, I love this one. This one is called, hold on, it's stuck to another one. This one's called Fiesta. And I just love it because it has llamas and Aztec signs and just so cute. Just so cute. Maracas, sombreros, llamas, just adorable. So what does this one have? This one has 80 sheets, 20 designs, 4 of each. I love cacti. Avocados. Just such a fun little paper pad. Hot chili peppers. Those are so cute. Oh, what does this say? It's taco o'clock. Tacos, all the tacos, Taco Tuesday, but first tacos. Tacos are my love language. Just cute. Look at all those tacos there. So yeah, there's that one. Next, I found a, what is this one? This is, do you say her name Vicky Bouton or Vicky Bouton? This one was $3.99, normally $15.99. And then I think it's called Art for Everyone. 24 sheets, 12 designs. I just thought this was pretty and colorful. This one's double-sided. So there's that one. And next we have, what is this one? This one is called Gingham Gardens, 48 sheets, 2 of each. So there's 24 unique designs. And then it just looks like it just starts kind of over again. So I thought that was pretty. And let's see, we got one more of the paper pads, and then there's some paper packs I want to show you guys. Oh, and some single sheets of paper I want to show you. So this one is called Fab and Fearless. I literally bought it because of the wall hangings because it's so cute, and I just love the girls on it. I think they're adorable. And look at this one too, where they were like sitting down having coffee on a park bench. I thought that was so cute. So this was normally $21.99. It was reduced to $5.49. There's 60 sheets, 20 designs, so there's 3 of each design. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are, just chilling, having coffee. I love it. I love those. Those are so pretty. Cute. And the dogs are adorable too. So there's that one. Whoops. That glitter loves to fall when I'm making videos. Okay. And then I got some, I'll show you the paper packs last. I got, these were on sale, so these weren't on clearance, but I got this cute watermelon paper. These were normally, yeah, they're normally 59 cents, but they were on clearance for 29 cents. Not clearance, they were on sale for 29 cents. So I got 2 watermelon. I got these pumpkins and this thankful one and this one. And then I know, like, I was watching Nicole from Vagabond Crafter, which I'll link her channel below. She was finding some of these paper packs on clearance, I think for $1.24. Was it $1.24? I could be mistaken, but I'm going to link her channel below, and you can check out what she picked up in the clearance. But I didn't find any of these on clearance. They are $5.99. They were 50% off. So that made them $3, which I thought was a good deal. And I thought I'm going to grab some of these if they're clearancing them because I love some of them and I don't want to miss out. Plus, I'm going to gift some of these. I have some friends that want to start paper crafting with me. And I thought that these packs would be a really good thing to gift to them because it kind of just includes everything you need to get started. You've got the paper, you have the stickers. I think some of them even come with like jewels and ephemera. So I thought these would be good to just, you know, give my friends a gift and say, here, this will help you get started. So in this one, for $3, it comes with 1 sheet of cardstock stickers, the alphas, the chipboard stickers, and then 12 papers. There's 5 designs, 2 of each design. And this one was called Petals and Blooms. Then I got Fashion Girls, and this one's so cute. This one, it says buy all the things, messy bun, getting stuff done, life happens, coffee helps. Let's see, this one comes with cardstock stickers, cardstock alphas, 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. There's also 5 designs, 2 of each, and then it comes with these adorable die cut shapes. There's 27 of those. Then I found a cute Christmassy one. This one's called 12 Days of Christmas, and I just thought that was so cute. So it's got like 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves. So it's got one for each one. And this one, I think this would be cute for a swap. If you do the 12 Days of Christmas, you can put one of these on each of the gifts. So I got that. Comes with the cute ephemera. And let's see, in this one we've got chipboard stickers, cardstock stickers. Here's the papers, and then there's what all the ephemera looks like. I also got the unicorn one. This one's called Chase Rainbows, and This one, here's all the papers that you get. And then you get the cardstock stickers, alphas, and 30 embellishment stickers and some gemstone stickers in this one. So it seems like, you know, they're a little bit different in each one, what you get. This one is called Stargazer. And this one, you can see all the papers here. This one has stickers, alpha stickers, and chipboard stickers and gemstone stickers. Then I got the Mermaid Dreams. So this one comes with, let's see, vellum stickers, cardstock, gemstones. Here's the die cuts, and then here's the pretty papers that you get. And this one is called Family. I thought this was so beautiful. I love these colors. So this one comes with, here's the papers, and then you get the 26 die cut shapes, alpha stickers, and cardstock stickers. And I got 2 more to go. I've got this, this one's called Tropical. And this one comes with, here's the papers. It comes with 30 embellishment stickers, cardstock, and cardstock stickers. And then this one's called Beach. And look at that paper. I'm like, yes, please. I love me some lobsters. It's so cute. And then it comes with also with 30 embellishment stickers, cardstock alpha stickers, and then vellum stickers. So those are all the paper packs or the paper crafting kits that I got. One thing that I want to tell you is that I went to a few different stores, and I noticed like I would go to one store and they would have most of their stickers clearanced. Another one would have most of their paper clearance. So it's kind of just like all the other clearances that Hobby Lobby does. It's like, it just depends on what store you go to, like what area they've started clearancing and whether or not they've actually started, you know, marking things down. Probably want to call your store first if it's far from you and see if they've started, you know, marking things down so you don't, you know, waste your time going down there, because the one closest to me barely had anything on clearance. I ended up going to Chino, which is like, I don't know, like 30 minutes from me. And that's where I found the majority of the stuff I found. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.